Hi everyone, it's Daniel Holton and Cheryl Smith.
Hey y'all.
And we're here to introduce our exclusive and revolutionary ovenware, Ultra Pro.
Woohoo!
Now you guys are gonna love this. Not only is it safe in the oven, it's safe in the microwave, and it's also safe in the freezer.
Oh my gosh, so you're telling me that I can put this in the oven, and I can put it in the oven and it goes up to what temperature, Daniel?
482 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow, that's amazing. So it goes in the oven, it goes in the microwave, yes?
Goes in the microwave.
Goes in the freezer.
Right.
Goes in the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator.
And it's also dishwasher safe?
Dishwasher safe.
Oh my gosh, are you excited? Now Daniel, looking at the material, I'm assuming we wouldn't want to use anything sharp in here, yes?
You don't want to use anything sharp because it will scratch.
Okay.
So no knives, no stainless steel spatulas. Our silicone spatula works great.
They're perfect. Now Daniel, I have the Ultra 21 at home and I love it. And I know a lot of y'all have Ultra 21, you have customers with Ultra 21, Ultra Plus. What makes this different than what we currently have?
Well, a couple things that we did to enhance this product. We actually reinforced the handles, so it's more durable now.
Yay, that's awesome.
Now, the venting holes used to be on the ends.
Okay.
We've placed the venting holes on the sides to stay away from your hands.
Oh, amazing. So when you go to take the cover off, all of the steam is going to go this way instead of burning your hand.
Exactly.
Oh, I love that. Are y'all excited? Okay, what else, Daniel?
Okay, so this material has non-stick properties, which means you don't have to cook with much oil or butter.
So that makes it healthier.
It's a healthier option for sure.
Absolutely. And there's something else about this I know that's really unique and pretty exciting, and that is there's got some notches on it for the cover and the base.
Exactly.
So tell me about that.
So let me show you how this works. Okay, so there's little notches here on the ends, and what this does, it enables the cover to stay on securely.
Oh wow,
okay,
that's
it doesn't
great.
slide off.
Okay.
Now the great thing about this is, because it's an entire system, you take the cover off, you need a little more headspace. The notches on the other base containers actually fit securely.
Oh my gosh, so can you see, like for a small turkey in here, or like a big roasting hen or something in the extra room?
Exactly.
I love that, guys, and it's gonna stay exactly where you want it to stay. But Daniel, I heard there's more than just that makes this pretty unique, because I have something in my house, it's called a stack cooker, and I stack cook in my microwave all the time. I understand that you can actually stack cook in your oven using these pieces, yes?
Absolutely, and
I'll show
you how that works. So we're gonna take the 5.7 liter base here.
Okay.
We're gonna place the cover on top, upside down.
Okay.
So say that you have some chicken in here.
Okay.
You put, say, a peach cobbler for dessert on top.
Okay.
If you don't want to leave it covered, or if you want to leave it uncovered, don't put anything on top. Put it in the microwave or oven just like this. Okay. If you do want to cover it, you grab the 3.3 lasagna pan and place it right on top just like that.
Okay, so let me just make sure I understand. So you've got a chicken down here in the base. You've got your peach cobbler on top here. You can put it in just like this, or if you want to cover your peach cobbler, you just invert this and put it right on top. This whole thing goes in the oven and you're cooking everything at one time.
Everything at the same time.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. But then I heard you say something else, Daniel, about tandem cooking.
Tandem cooking, let me explain what that is. Because it fits in the microwave and oven, why not start something in the microwave and then put it in the oven to save time?
Okay.
Take a baked chicken, for example. A whole chicken can take up to 2 hours to roast. Okay? You start this in the microwave for 10 to 15 minutes, put it in the oven after that, you cut the cooking time down in half. Under an hour, you can have a roasted chicken finished.
Wow, so you know what that means, guys? That's more time for you to either check your emails, help the kids with the homework, walk the dog, or just have some time for you, because you deserve it. So I am so excited about this system, Daniel. This is amazing. Now, I understand that you're actually going to cook for us.
Well, there's one more thing I want to show.
Oh, there
before
is?
we finish.
Okay,
yes.
show us.
Okay. Baking pans take a lot of room in the kitchen, don't they?
Oh, they do. They do.
Okay. This whole system here completely nests. Okay, I'm going to explain how that works.
Okay.
So we have our two covers here, two large covers. We're going to place the shallow, the 3.3 container on top just like that. The deep one on top of that.
Okay.
We have our two smaller containers here. We'll stack them like this.
Okay.
Put them inside. The two smaller covers upside down, and look at that. Perfectly nested.
Yay! Look, y'all, this is all the room it's going to take in your kitchen. Are you excited? Daniel, I love this. I am super excited. And you're going to cook lunch right now?
I'm going to do some baked chicken with some roasted potatoes.
Wow. Okay, so I'm going to leave while you go cook, and I'm going to come back because I'm going to eat it.
Well, I'm going to cook lunch for you today, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Ultra Pro using the microwave and oven, and also using the stack cooking method. I'm gonna do some baked chicken with some roasted potatoes, and I'll go ahead and get started. Gonna have place my carrots and onions in the base of the 5.7 liter, just like that. Next, I'm gonna add a whole chicken cut up into 8 pieces. Now, you can choose to buy a whole chicken and cut it up yourself, or you can actually buy it at the grocery store already cut up just like this. Next, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top of the chicken. And I'm actually going to season this with our new Steak and Chop seasoning blend. Now, this is called a Steak and Chop blend, but it's actually good on everything. And I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm actually going to use this on roasted potatoes. So we'll go ahead and sprinkle this on top of the chicken. And we're going to grab the cover of the 5.7 liter Ultra Pro container. We have some fingerling potatoes that are cut up in half, and we're going to do the same thing. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of the potatoes, and again we're going to use and season the potatoes with the Steak and Chop seasoning blend. All right, so I'm going to use the Tandem cooking method, which I explained to Cheryl earlier. I'm going to stick the entire thing in the microwave for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm actually going to preheat the oven at 400 degrees. And when this is done, we'll stick it in the oven and cook it for an additional 40 minutes. Total cooking time is 50 minutes. All right, so the chicken and potatoes are all done, all in under an hour, and I got to tell you, this smells amazing. Go ahead and look at the potatoes here, nicely browned. And if we look at the chicken, the carrots and onions, this looks delicious, and I cannot wait. I actually think Cheryl Smith is on her way back to have lunch with me.
Oh my gosh, Daniel, that looks awesome and it smells amazing. You did all of this Tandem cooking in the microwave in 10 minutes?
10 minutes in the microwave, 40 minutes in the oven. Total cooking time, less than an hour.
Wow, all in the Ultra Pro. Are y'all ultra excited?